the app extension, and its application is such that if you have an application and are running an ad on Google, you can use this extension to get installs for the application. Like the other extensions, you go to the Add Extension section, select the extension, and click on the plus option. And we select the app extension. Again, like the other extensions, we choose the level we want, whether it's account, campaign, or ad group. Here we specify the platform of the application, whether it's Android or iOS. Let's assume Android. I select it. Here our application must be available on the App Store or Google Play. Let's assume that I now select Radio Japan. See here, when you search, you see, brought it up. And here you can specify your preference for your device. For example, say you want to exclude the tablet. For instance, I don't want the tablet. Whatever you want. Now this extension only lets you select the type, Android or iOS, and you search for your application in the search section. The important thing is that your application should exist in the App Store and actually in Google Play. You can see how it appears below your ad text with a download option displayed here. And when the user clicks on it, you see they are directed to the App Store or Google Play page where they can download it. Again, like the other extensions, this one also has an advanced option where you can specify the days and times you want it to be displayed. And finally, you click the Save option. We have reviewed all the important and practical extensions together, and I recommend that in the initial setup of your campaign, you definitely use all the extensions. Remember, no extension replaces another. Sometimes one might be displayed while another is not. However, using extensions helps increase our CTR and attract more attention, and allocate more space to ourselves in 3 areas.